to work busily day after day, or to lower your steps and have fun. It's up to you. Ausenma Automatic Following UAV is your new partner with special vision. Press only one button and he can fly. Really simple. It is GPS positioning function. When the GPS signal is fine outdoors, the UAV can keep hanging in the air, even against strong wind force. Look, our 5 million pixel camera is recording everyone's face. You smile? Riding a bike on an avenue and enjoy the quiet moments by yourself. And your new partner, Ausenma Automatic Following UAV, will record the private moments for you. You just need to carry the remote controller and he will follow you all the way. The shock-absorbing cradle head can be automatically adjusted vertically and horizontally, so you can easily shoot a big movie. Scientific technology always surprises us nicely. Interesting encircling shooting and real-time picture transmission can put you at a 360-degree special viewing angle in the air. Our UAV has the one key for return function. Well, what the thoughtful design is, when UAV is lost to follow up or power off suddenly, it will automatically switch to the out-of-control return mode and fly back to you. No need to worry all emergencies. You can always go out with him safely. With Ausenma Automatic Following UAV, just go and have fun.